Garmin is back at it again, pushing the limits of tactical smartwatches with the launch of the Garmin Tactix 8. This time, they're offering a powerhouse that's not just a rugged smartwatch, but a full-blown tactical companion for professionals, military personnel, and outdoor enthusiasts. The Tactix 8 builds upon the foundation of its predecessors, but introduces some game-changing upgrades that set it apart from the rest. Let's break down everything this watch has to offer, from its design and display to its tactical features, battery life, and pricing, and ultimately, if it's worth a hefty investment. Design and build rugged yet sleek. One of the first things you'll notice about the Garmin Tactix 8 is its military-grade build. It now comes in two sizes, 47mm and 51mm, catering to those who prefer a more compact or full-sized rugged smartwatch. The AMOLED display, previously seen in the Tactix 7, is now the standard for both sizes, ensuring vibrant colors, crisp readability, and smooth touch interactions. But if battery life is your top priority, Garmin still offers a solar edition with an MIP memory-in-pixel display that extends endurance. The sapphire lens and leak-proof buttons make it durable enough to handle extreme conditions, while its MIL STD 810 military standard ensures it can withstand shocks, extreme temperatures, and water depths up to 100 meters, 10 ATM. Key design features available in 47mm and 51mm sizes. AMOLED display or MIP on Solar Edition. Scratch-resistant sapphire lens. MIL STD 810 military durability. Water-resistant up to 10 ATM. Leak-proof tactile buttons. Tactical features. A watch built for mission readiness. Garmin isn't just making another premium sports smartwatch. They're making a mission-critical tactical device. 1. Built-in speaker and microphone. Unlike its predecessors, the Tactix 8 now includes a speaker and microphone, allowing for hands-free voice commands and two-way communication via compatible apps. This is a huge advantage for professionals who need quick access to information without reaching for a phone. 2. Night vision mode and stealth mode. Night vision mode. Adjust the display brightness so it's compatible with night vision goggles. Stealth mode. Disables GPS and all wireless connections to avoid detection. A crucial feature for military use and covert operations. 3. LED flashlight with green light option. Garmin has integrated an LED flashlight, which includes a green light mode. This reduces eye strain and improves night visibility, making it perfect for night operations and low-light environments. 4. Advanced navigation and waypoint marking. Set waypoints by choosing a direction and distance. International topographic maps preloaded. Garmin Outdoor Maps Plus subscription for even more detailed satellite maps. 5. Kill switch for data security. For high-security situations, Garmin includes a kill switch that instantly wipes all data from the watch to prevent unauthorized access. Outdoor and sports features. Beyond just tactical. While the Tactix 8 is primarily a tactical smartwatch, Garmin hasn't neglected fitness tracking. Whether you're an athlete, hiker, or military professional, there are plenty of features for tracking performance, endurance, and health metrics. 1. New rucking mode. A much-requested feature, rucking mode accounts for the weight of your backpack while calculating calorie burn. This is an absolute game-changer for hikers and soldiers. 2. Advanced diving capabilities. For divers, the Tactix 8 boasts a 40-meter, 131 feet dive rating, supporting both scuba and apnea diving. It also offers full underwater navigation, multiple gas mix support, detailed dive analytics. 3. Ballistic calculations for long-range shooting. Hunters and military snipers will love the applied ballistic software, which provides precise calculations for long-range shooting, taking into account wind speed, elevation, and bullet trajectory. 4. Comprehensive health and fitness tracking. On the fitness side, The Tactix 8 comes with all the tracking features you'd expect: ECG, heart rate, SpO2, VO2 max estimates, training status and recovery insights, sleep tracking and stress monitoring, Garmin Pay for contactless payments, customizable apps via Garmin Connect IQ, battery life, endurance you can rely on. Battery life is a major selling point for Garmin watches, and the Tactix 8 is no exception. While battery life depends on the model and usage, here's what you can expect. 47mm AMOLED version, up to 16 days in smartwatch mode. 51mm solar model, up to 48 days with solar charging. Heavy usage, maps, dual frequency GNSS, voice commands. Will reduce battery life significantly with 32 gigabytes of internal storage. There's plenty of room for maps, data, and even music for offline playback. Price and availability, is it worth it? The Garmin Tactix 8 isn't cheap, but it's designed for professionals who need top-tier tactical features. Here's how the pricing breaks down. 47mm AMOLED, $1,299. 51mm AMOLED, $1,399. Solar SB Elite, with applied ballistics, $1,599. For those who truly need military-grade tactical features, the price is justified. However, if you're just looking for a high-end sports smartwatch, you might be better off with the Garmin Fenix 8 or Epix Pro. Final verdict: who should buy it? The Garmin Tactix 8 is a beast of a smartwatch, but is it the right choice for you? Here's a quick who should buy and who should skip guide. Buy it if: white heavy checkmark, you need military-grade durability and tactical features. White heavy checkmark, you're in the military, law enforcement, or a survivalist. White heavy checkmark, you need detailed maps, diving support, and ballistic calculations. White heavy checkmark, you want industry-leading battery life and a built-in flashlight. Skip it if cross mark, you just want a high-end fitness smartwatch. Garmin Fenix series is a better option. Cross mark, you don't need tactical features like stealth mode or kill switch. Cross mark, you're on a budget. This is a premium investment. Final thoughts. The Garmin Tactix 8 is an incredible tactical smartwatch packed with cutting-edge features, but it's designed for a specific audience. If you need top-tier tactical capabilities, this is your watch. If not, there are more affordable Garmin options to consider. What do you think? Is the Tactix 8 worth its price tag? Let us know in the comments.